Technology is all around us, and well, that's no different from simulation software technology. Now, the simulation industry is worth billions of dollars. Well, to be more specific, $11.02 billion from a quick Google search I did. But some problems have arisen over the years, and these problems do not go unnoticed because after a time, those bills will stack up. After a time, you have to get new updates. It's going to cost high usage of system RAM, and well, it's going to be hell. But we have a solution for you. Today, I'm presenting you with iEnvision's first project, and also more coincidentally, so not really coincidentally, but it was planned, obviously, the reason I'm making this video, and that is testIT. Now, testIT itself is a simulation software program, of course, but where it differentiates itself from all of the competitors is the use of artificial intelligence. Now, we use artificial intelligence to do four things specifically. Now, the first one, of course, is the chatbot. We use artificial intelligence and user prompts and inputs to create a model. Now, this model itself, well, since it's the chatbot, the model we are creating, though you can see it as you were communicating with the bot, it's more than that. It's the bot itself, it's giving the prompts in a more defined, more specific language to the next one, the build bot, which takes this designs, which take the specifications and creates a 3D model. And now that model itself goes into our third bot, which I call the Atom, which is an automatic, data-driven material allocator, which it basically tells the build bot how this should look, the glossiness, the density, all the nitty-gritty and all the physical parameters that need to be specified and given to each model is done using this bot. And of course, the fourth, but not the least, the last, but not the least, is of course our SimBot or our simulation bot. What this does is it allows the use of data and information in order to give users the best simulation experience possible. That is both in 3D, 2D simulation, and of course simulation modeling, which, in case you didn't know, is pretty important to us. But apart from all of this, apart from where we stand out, we want to give you the best deal possible. So each organization that uses our product will have access to our large user database where they can run new designs, new products, new additions to their library virtually, completely virtually. They can run events, they can run activities, and overall, it's more like a partnership between us and these other companies in order to give them the best experience possible, to give our users the best experience possible. And we want to do all this without breaking your wallet, because from any search will show you simulation software technology is not cheap. And now this price has obviously turned many away from the prospect they've been using simulation technology. We want to change that. We want to make it affordable. We want to make updates free. And most of all, we want to make sure that you have the best experience you can possibly have. Because if we can't give you the best for standard, then what are we doing? Now, of course, I'm going to go into explaining our product demo. Now, from our demo, all you can see is 3 different options. How do you want to interact with us? Do you want to create a new product? Do you want to open the marketplace, interact with your peers or organization and events? Or you want to open recents? Maybe you have an old product you want to revisit. Like here, you see old motor vehicle with an electric engine. Maybe that's what you want to revisit. Maybe you just want to do something new. You want to build something. Well, let's create. You can use our artificial intelligence, or just press the fast forward button to get to the good stuff. some might say to go directly into the modeling, to enter the CAD interface or CAD interface. I don't. It doesn't matter how you do it, but what you see is you see options to open from your files, to import from wherever, whatever format we support it, and now it gives you more options in different views like 3D, 2D, and blueprint. What else do you need? testIT, we got you covered. And now for the final step in our simulation, of course, is the simulation itself. Now the model simulation plane, or the model simulation window, to be more specific, is just that it gives you a full detailed analysis on your model, its specs, and then you can input simulation parameters, import assets. So if you want to make a car drive into a wall repeatedly and repeatedly, you can. If you want to make a plane fly, you can. Whatever you do is up to you. But if you're one of the old school guys, or one of the old classes they call it, you could select go to white paper, and then what you see is different options that basically just allow for simulation modeling. Now, what that means in our app is completely different from model simulation, because our simulation modeling uses spreadsheet packages and external data to provide you the products you need for resource management, for product development, and for full company autonomy. Overall, all of this coming to give you the best experience possible for the cheapest price possible. But the reason I'm making this video, the reason I'm putting out this demo, is because we need your help. We need funding. And now I know that's easy to come by in the States, but believe it or not, we are not an American company. And today, I'm going to put a link in the description below to allow you to, really help us out in any way you can. We truly believe that this product can change the world and change how we as a society interact with technology. We need to test it. We need you to test it.